Say it with fluency,
Oops, okay. Okay.
confidently. Okay.
إذا إذا جاء
Yes. More and more.
نص
إذا جاء.
إذا جاء
Okay. With
نص
fluency.
okay نصر الله والفتح
Okay. How do you know this is Allah's name and we read heavily? Explain in your
okay
words.
if
Hmm. Confidently, okay? No hesitation
okay
allowed.
okay
Yes.
if there there's
If there is no
Allah's
name,
name
yeah. After which thing?
af- after
Hmm.
after
Hmm.
fish
Okay. Right now, page letter.
yes
Okay. So there is Allah's name after page letter, right?
yes
Therefore, you read heavily, like fat sound.
yes
Okay. Can you repeat?
yes
No, repeat. With fluency. Again,
okay
confidently, no hesitation, no shine. Now,
no إذا جاء
more long. إذا جاء.
إذا جاء
Okay.
نصر الله
نصر الله.
نصر الله
Okay.
والفتح
Again here, fluently, this ayat number 2, and this word will be stopped, okay? Like you did
okay
before. Now,
و ر ر و ر رأيت الناس
good, good, good.
يدخلون في دين الله أف أفواجا
Repeat this ayat with fluency more and
okay
again confidently.
okay first let's start ورأيت الناس يدخلون
يدخلون.
يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا
أفواجا.
أفواجا
Okay. Readable. How do you know this is Allah's name and we should read rightly?
okay so if the
Confidently
Allah's
again.
if there's Allah's name after their letter
Yeah. Which Z letter is available right now before it?
noon
Yes. Noon is a Z letter. Therefore, we read Allah's name lightly.
yes
Okay. في دين الله أفواجا.
في دين الله
Yes, yes.
الله
Put on stop
أف
properly.
okay أفواجا no أفواجا.
Okay. Now take your new lesson. Read
Okay,
properly, no matter if you have a short lesson, no matter. Okay, but
okay,
read with tajweed manner. Okay, tajweed is the order of Allah. Like first, okay, like we perform namaz 5 times every day. That's
yeah,
Allah's order. Similarly, to read the Quran with tajweed, like with manners, it's called Allah's order. Okay,
okay.
so read, try this new lesson to get it.
That's 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 fi
Mushaddad letter. How many times do we read Mushaddad letter? Same apply
the
method
sub
like you did here.
the sub. Oh, I can do it. The sub.
Yes. Same method, okay, always.
Okay, bihamdi
Bihan,
bihamdi
hmm, Dalzir, chapter number
di
4. Yes, what happened to you? Bihandi.
bihamdi.
Now repeat 2 words together.
Okay, fasabbih bihamdi
Good job. Now go ahead.
rabbika
Yes.
was.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Was. Same method
Was.
apply like you did here to connect the sakin letter with wow. And this is line sakin again. Okay. Same method apply. What happened?
Okay.
Was. Connect them.
Was the.
Sorry.
Oh wait.
Speak up.
Was
Hmm. Which letter is this?
loin.
So connect them
Okay. Do do.
loudly.
Okay. Dog
Yes. Was stove.
was stole.
Okay. Read at first sound. Then we will stop this word because there is a stop sign. Okay. At first read the
Okay.
sound for learning basis. Then you will stop this.
Okay.
Now. Was
Was
stove.
was stole.
Hmm.
Fear
And
who.
who? Okay. Now to stop this. To read as
Okay.
Hasan like in chapter number 9 you did.
Yeah. Okay. Was
Hmm.
stole. Stole. Fear.
Fifth.
Fear
Wastaghfir.
was stole. Fear
Ha we
was
read
stole.
as ha
Fear
sakin by direct throat side. Wastaghfir.
was stole. Fear
Fir.
fear
Fir.
fear.
Yes. This is stop sign, okay? We should stop sign to stop this word. In ta, okay? Ta is not letter right now here. This is the stop sign to consider.
The stop sign.
Fir. Now all words together and stop again the ending word of this
Okay.
with fluency. More and
The
more.
sub. Okay. Do all of it.
With fluency, Shabash.
Okay. The sub. Be.
Bih,
Be.
fasabbih.
The sub. Be.
Yes.
بحمد. Okay. ربك was to to
تو تا زبر غين
to
تو.
to في.
Okay, more fast. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر.
Okay. Let's start. فسبح
بح
بحمد.
بح.
فسبح
مم.
بحمد
مم.
ربك ربك was to في.
MashaAllah. Okay. Now ending part.
Okay. In in إنه إنه
In
I mean إن
infinitely.
إن
Is it longer?
إن
Is this longer form?
No.
So don't open your mouth to bring alif to add additionally. Not allowed.
Not allowed.
إنه.
إنه
Yes. Next to it now.
كان كان
Yeah.
كان
Good. Now merge two words. إنه كان.
إنه كان.
Now ending word and direct you can stop this. Direct, okay?
Okay. تواب تواب.
Good job. Now merge three words and the ending word to stop.
Okay. إنه كان توابا.
So repeat check to see and guess properly.
توابا.
Again to guess and read like that. Nicely.
توابا.
Yes. Your lesson till here and memorize again and again with fluency like that, okay? From here.
Okay.
Yes. I save also your lesson to share